credit card spends are the lowest in last 13 months or even more. Even the card issuance growth rate on a YOY basis is the lowest in last 5 months. Total spends growth rate is the lowest in last 13 months. Let's get into the details. For April, the credit card spends grew by about 25.9% YOY to about rupees 1.3 lakh crore. Monthly spends growth rate on a YOY basis is the lowest in last 13 months. On a month-on-month basis, the total spends declined by 3.3% when compared to 15.7% month-on-month growth that you saw for the month of March 2023. Total cards issued grew by 15.1% YOY, which is perhaps the lowest in last 13 months. Month on month, the card issuances growth has remained healthy at about 1.42% when compared to 2.32% month on month growth that you saw in the month of March 2023. Average spends was at about rupees 15,388, which is a growth of about 26% YOY, but a decline of about 4.7% month on month. Now, average spends growth rate is in single digits for the first time post-COVID. Average spends value-wise is the second lowest in last 5 months. Let's take a look at the top 4 performance for April 2023. So for top 4, the credit cards market share is at 71.2% when compared to 71.4% on a month-on-month basis. Whereas the spends market share is at 75.7% when compared to 74.7% on a month-on-month basis. In the top 4, SDFC Bank has gained market share in spends by about 118 basis points to about 28.6%, which is the highest market share in last 5 months. SBI Card gained market share by about 36 basis points. ICICI Bank lost market share in spends by about 38 basis points month on month, and Axis Bank lost market share by about 21 basis points month on month. Coming to the credit card issuances market share, SDFC Bank has gained market share month on month for the first time in last 4 months. SBI, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank have all lost market share on a month-on-month basis. Let's take a look at some of the key findings. Only 4 players out of the 33 players that is there in credit card market, they saw month-on-month increase in spends per card. At industry level, the average spends decline happened for the 4th time in last 6 months. Spends are not gaining much of traction despite the credit card issuances month on month remaining healthy. So let's take a look at the top losers with respect to spends per card. On a YOY basis, companies like SBM Bank India, Standard Chartered Bank, IDFC First Bank, etc. and ICICI Bank have seen losses. On a month on month basis, the top losers are the likes of CSB Bank as well as IndusInd Bank and Federal Bank. Now, SBM Bank India saw massive decline in spends by about 90.2% YOY and more than 77% on a month-on-month basis. Standard Chartered Bank, IDFC First Bank, IDBI Bank, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank and ICICI Bank are the other lenders who saw decline in average spends both YOY and month-on-month. In terms of outlook, the credit card issuances have remained strong on a month-on-month basis. The month of May spends could be healthier due to holidays. You need to watch out for the revolver rates which are on a declining trend for the entire sector.